Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to outline text in Canva. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. All right, so here I am using my Canva account, which is a pro account, but actually you can also do this using a free version of Canva. So first, open up a design and go to text right here. Now let's add some text. Let's click on add a heading. So here I will just type the word sample. Now let's try and make it bigger like so. All right, so if you want to make an outline for this text, you can click on effects, and right over here under style, you have outline. So let's click on this one. Now you can choose the color of outline you want. So let's click this box over here. Now let's say, for example, we want the outline of this one, like a sky blue outline. And you can change your text color by clicking on this one right here and choosing a color. Now say, for example, let's use this color here. And there you have it. So if you want your outline to be a little bit thinner, so you have the option here for thickness. You can adjust the slider. You can drag it left or right to make it thicker or to make it slimmer. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.